I'm on a $1 billion facility, right? We're building this $1 billion facility, and I've made it.
Next question, from worker to leader.
Man, I just always wanted to be better. I wanted to become the best version of myself. And I think I felt a certain type of way when I noticed that when I became a felon, people kind of wrote me off.
Yeah.
Because as a kid, I couldn't really grasp the concept of what was really going on until I got a little older, and I'm like, oh shoot. So this is how the world see you. Bet. I'm gonna prove them wrong.
This new state-of-the-art pharmaceutical plant is fourth to be announced just this year as part of the drug company's $50 billion reshoring effort. Its big push to make medicine in America again.
So I want to make a really, really quick video. And I just got my first contract offer. Crazy work. I started my consulting company back in 2022. I believe is when I created the EIN number. And so I'm just reflecting right now. To go from a Firewatch to consultant to starting your company and getting an offer from the largest pharmaceutical manufacturing company in the world right now. Straight boom, right? The number one producing GLP-1 drug. The offer consists of my company, Quality Assurance Solutions, overseeing the MEP quality construction management.
Stay tuned in. This is Chat with Experiences. We will be posting a full interview of DeMarcus Taylor and what he's doing. And again, I write books that's going to give you a different outlook. Also, I have news media connections. If you want to get in contact with the news or you want to be interviewed, please contact me.